Hi children, welcome back to our next class. Now exercise 11.1 is already over, now 11.2. Let us see what is 11.2 tells. All of you read the question with me. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 75 degree. 75 degree. Angle, AB plus AC. AB plus AC equal how much? 13 centimeter. These are questions. Okay. Second exercise is bit difficult. Mainly question will be coming from second exercise only. First exercise is a foundation, okay, basic. Second exercise very important. Surely one question will come. Only 5 questions are there. From the 5 questions, one question sure to comes. Okay. Okay. Let us see. Okay. Now BC is given. Don't go up, okay, little down, little bottom of your, little somewhere middle or little downside. Draw a straight line. Understand? Take a point, John, BC is given, right? BC, how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Take in your compass 7 centimeter. Take in your compass 7 centimeter. Measure and take, okay? Yes. And keep the compass at point B, cut an arc. C, how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, angle B is 75 degree. Yes. We already learned how to draw 75 degree. To draw 75 degree, what you have to draw? First, you have to draw 90 degree, right? So, keep the compass at point B, 90 degree. You know it, right? Yes, one arc, another arc, and cut. But 90 degree we don't want, we want only 75 degree. So, you have to draw dot line. Now, take any measurement, keep the compass at point 60 at 60 degree, cut an arc, and 90 degree, another arc. Where both arcs are intersecting, give the dot and join with which one? B. Before that, you have to check, okay, whether it is touching or not. Let us score that this line should be little longer. How many degree? 75 degree. Okay. Now, what is given? AB plus AC. AB we do not know, AC also we do not know, but together value of AB and AC together we know how many centimeter? 13 centimeter. So, take in your compass 13 centimeter. Little bit, if your compass is too tight, bit difficult, but take 13 centimeter, measure and take, okay? Keep the compass at point B and cut an arc on the 75 degree straight line. 75 degree straight line going, right? There you cut an arc. This is not point A, okay? This is just take X. Now join the CX. C and X you joined. This also looks like triangle, but it is not the triangle what we want, okay? So, what we are going to do? Now, we are going to bisect the sides CX. Bisecting means what? Dividing into two equal parts. Dividing into two equal parts. That is, bi means two. Sect means divide, that portion. Keep the composite point C. Pencil more than half of Cx. Little more than half of Cx. Any amount. Cx. More than. This is half somewhere. Less than half should not go, okay? It should not be less than half. It should be more than half, any measurement. More than half. Keep it at point C. Okay? Cut an arc on both sides. Also, both sides. Without changing, keep the composite point X, cut the previous arc. And join them. Keep in mind, this bisecting and Cx is meeting, right? Whether your construction is right or wrong, how to check? Keep the composite point, this Cx and this bisecting is meeting one place there. Pencil at X. Okay, lift the pencil. Lift the pencil to C. Whether it touching or not. Touching, right? So now, that means your construction is correct. Okay. Now, this bisecting Cx is meeting at the 75-degree straight line one place. So now, that place where it is cutting, that is called A. Then we join them. Now, ABC is a required triangle. But how do you know our answer is correct? We have to check, right? Measure AB and which one? AC. If we measure and write in your notebook, it will be different, and mine will be different because my scale is bigger enough, right? So if we measure and write, it will be how many centimeter will come? 13 centimeter will be there. Exactly, it will be there if your construction is correct. Again, I am telling you, accuracy. Accuracy is very important. Exactly where you are supposed to keep the compass, there you have to keep. 1 millimeter right side or left side will give you a trouble. Okay. Okay. Now question number 1 is over. This is question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 is over. All of you copy down. After that, we will go to question number 2. Okay, children. Question number 1 is already completed. Now question number 2, 3, 4, almost similar only. So let us go to question number 4. 4 is very important. So you have to be very careful. Read the questions. Construct a triangle. Consider triangle P XYZ. Angle Y is equal to 30 degree. Angle Z is equal to 90 degree. Angle Y equal to how many degree? 30 degree. Angle Z is equal to how many degree? 90 degree. Children, here I am not going to take 30 degree because you have to take half of 30 degree. Half of 30 degree how many? 15 degree. 30 divided by 2 is how many? 15 degree. 15 degree, when you draw the figure, it will be very small, and it is lot of confusion will be there. So I will teach you how to do with the bigger number 60 degree, so that it will be easy to learn first. After learning, easy to do 30 degree. Okay. First for learning, we will do which one? 60 degree. 90 degree also divided by how much? 2. 45 degree, 30 degree. Okay, children? Okay. Now, let us go. First, you need a full page. Okay, one full page we need. So, let us go little down. Draw a straight line. long straight line. In the question, no side is given, okay, x, y, z is given, but x, y value is not given, x, y plus y, z plus x, z equal to 11 centimeter. Take a point L and 11 centimeter in your compass. Take 11 centimeter in your compass. Keep it L compass and 11 centimeter you take, cut an arc. N. How much centimeter? 11 centimeter. Okay. Now, y is equal to 60 degree, that is 30 degree you have to draw, right? So, you have to draw 30 degree. You know how to draw 30 degree, already you learned, right? So, 30 degree. Don't draw long, little bit. 30 degree. This is how many degree? 30 degree. Now, we have to draw this side how many degree? 90 means 45 degree you have to draw. So, to draw 45, already you will learn. Yes. But 45 is not our angle, right? What we need is not 45 degrees, isn't it? So, we join dot line. So, now you take little bigger, let it go outside, okay? Inside if it is too much disturbance will be there. You go, let it take little longer, let it go outside, one arc, and from here 90 degree another arc. Excess cancel. This question is a bit difficult, listen carefully. This is how many degree? 75 degree. This 75 degree and, sorry, how many degree? 45 degree. This 45 degree and 30 degree has to meet one place. Where they are meeting, that is y, z given, that means that is x. This is point x. Okay. Now we are going to bisect the side LN. You know what is bisect, right? Little less or little more than half. One arc. Little more than half. One arc. Bottom also. Oh, sorry. Without changing, keep it at x. Another arc. Okay. Where both arcs are intersecting, join them. Okay. You have to check whether it is correct or not. Keep the compass here, x, L, right? Okay. So, where it is touching, this Ln and the bisecting one place, right? That is called This is 30 degree, 30 degree y. That means that is point which one? Y. Now you join which one? X, Y. Okay. Now we are going to bisect the side NX or XN. XN. Without changing, keep the compass at the X and cut the previous arc. Where both arcs are intersecting, this is a place, right? Here this is a place. Join them. Where this bisecting meeting the side LN, that is a place called which one? Name called Z. Next, Z and X we join. So this is how many degree? 60 degree. This is how many degree? How many degree? 90 degree, right? So angle, sorry, X, Y, Z is a required triangle. Again, you have to measurements check. AB, sorry, XY equal to YZ equal XZ equal to. You add, you will get how many centimeter? 11 centimeter. Okay, children. This model question is very important. Better you will learn it nicely. With this chapter, construction is over. Tomorrow we will be learning the another chapters. Children, one time practicing is not enough. Right now you go take your notebook and practice at least 2 times so that it will be in your permanent memory, otherwise you will forget. Okay children, we will meet tomorrow with another chapter. Till then, see you.